Welcome to our channel. If you're filing your first tax return and feeling overwhelmed, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete your return confidently and correctly. Step 1. Gather all necessary documents including W-2 forms from employers, 1099 forms for other income, student loan interest statements, and receipts for deductible expenses. Step 2. Determine your filing status. Most first-time filers are single, but you might qualify as head of household or married filing jointly depending on your situation. Step 3. Decide between standard deduction and itemizing. First-time filers almost always benefit from the standard deduction, which is $14,600 for single filers in 2024. Step 4. Choose your filing method. Free options include IRS free file for incomes under $79,000 or simple tax situations, or commercial software like TurboTax or H&R Block. Step 5. Enter your personal information carefully, double-checking your social security number, address, and bank account information if you're using direct deposit. Step 6. Input all income from your W-2s and 1099s accurately. The software will guide you through each form. Step 7. Claim any credits you qualify for, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, Education Credits, or Savers Credit. Step 8. Review everything carefully before submitting. E-file your return for faster processing and confirmation. Keep copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.